Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up! And if you'd like to purchase from me, all the information is down below. Today is There's a Card Thursday, and I want to show you this beautiful peacock ribbon tail card that I made. I've been using the ribbon, and I want to show folks how to use different ribbon for different uses. Now, I made the tail at Tips and Techniques Tuesday, so you can just hop over to Tips and Techniques Tuesday and see how to make the tail. And then I'm just ruffling this ribbon on here. So what we're going to be needing is we're going to be using the beautiful peacock. This is a celebration set, so it was free during celebration. We're going to be needing a piece of Pacific Point 8.5 by 5.5. Oh, and forgot the ink. Pacific Point and Lemon Lime Twist for ink. So Pacific Point cardstock 8.5 by 11.5. A piece of Whisper White. I've got this 5 inches by 3.25 inches. We're going to need 2 pieces of the crushed curry mini chevron ribbon, 3/8, a big piece, and then one piece that's probably about 3.5 inches. Okay. Then we're going to be using some of the gold metallic. We're going to be using some glue dots and some tear and tape, okay? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to be stamping the peacock. So I'm going to be using the body of the peacock, and I'm going to be using Pacific Point. And I want to stamp that a little bit above the center line, okay? And where is my, okay. Just a little bit, because I want the tails to go down here. Now I'm going to take, there's 2 different types of tail, well there's 3, but there's one that looks like leaves and one that looks like flowers. I'm going to take the one that looks like leaves, this one, and I'm going to ink it up with Pacific Point. I'm going to stamp off, and then I'm going to stamp it just like that, okay? Then I'm going to do the same thing. I just want it a little bit, still Pacific Point, okay? And I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to take there are some dots. You may not know what they're for. They look like, let's see, like that. Those are actually, let's put this down a little. Those are actually the eyes, peacock eyes. So what I am going to do is I'm going to ink those up, and I want to do it, and they line up just so. So you have the dots there, okay? Isn't that cool how they line up? Just like that. Okay, then I'm going to take the other, I'm going to take the other one, this one, and I'm going to, the flowery one, I'm going to put a lemon lime twist on that, and I'm going to stamp that a couple of times too, okay? And then I am going to stamp this saying with the lemon lime twist. Okay, just like that. And now I got blue all over me, Pacific Point all over me, and so every time I'm going to touch the card, it's going to go all over me. Now what I'm going to do is on this side, I am going to put a piece of tear and tape, okay? And then I'm going to take out my long piece. See, it's about double. My long piece of the chevron ribbon. And this is how I like to do it. I am going to put one there, one end there, and one end here. And just so I know where the ends are. And then I am just going to ruffle it. Just like that. Yeah, watch your nails. I got my jammies on. And then time we get down here, you can, even with the tear and tape, it doesn't stick all that well. The ribbons don't stick too well to this. Okay, just like that, okay? And then I am going to put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of this sucker, because if you try to use glue dots, it's just not going to work, I'll tell you right now. It's just too thick. And I'm going to get my Pacific Point card base ready. Take off these little critters. Yeah, I'm getting blue all over, aren't I? Okay, and I'm just going to put that there. Then I have already made a tail, and what you do, you see these strings, you'll just pull these strings out, tie a piece of the gold thread up there and pull it all out. Just go to my my Tips and Techniques Tuesday and you'll see that. But I've already made one, and all I am going to do is I'm going to take a couple of glue dots. Hopefully you got to take a couple of glue dots. I'm at the end of the roll, so it falls off the roll thing. And I am just going to put that like that. So that one has at least a couple of three different tails. So there you go. So remember to follow me on YouTube, and all the information to purchase all of the products for this is down below. I'd really appreciate it if you would purchase from me if you enjoyed this video, so I can do more videos for you. I also have a class, an online class that teaches you different techniques and makes different cards and projects from one stamp set each month, and that'd be really cool. There's more information on my Facebook page and my blog on that one. So thanks for visiting. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.